Okay, we are back in the garage working on another one. Today's project is a 2013 GMC Terrain. Today we are replacing the rear shocks, and so I'll just run through this real quick. Obviously you need the wheel off to start, and then after that, this fender liner, there's two Torx screws. They were a T20 Torx. And then there was some clips, yeah, 3 of them that I took out. And then you can actually just pull this out. Bear with me here. And just sort of peel it back enough. The screw you're after is right up at the top there. I've already taken it out, obviously. And that was a 18 mil socket for that. And then same with the screw that's at the bottom that I've obviously taken out. It was an 18 mil as well. And that's pretty much it. And then same thing on the other side. These ones, obviously, there's like no shock left at all. These were definitely long overdue. So, I mean, when you can push it in with very little effort like that, that's pretty much your telltale sign. So yeah, that's it.